Hello friend, today I would like to show you how to make beautiful tall easel on a stand or a spray on a stand for celebration of life. However, this design you can use for any occasion to bring a smile to every sad face. Okay friend, let's start to do this beautiful design for celebration of life. Anything for celebration of life that you make should have beauty, color, and nice design that make people smile. It doesn't have to be crying moment. When they see your flower from your studio or from your design method, it should bring a smile in any occasion, especially celebration of life. So in this design, I like to show you how I put this easel together. I have metal cage that I put one block of foam inside. You can put more, because this is wide enough, you can put 1.5 block of foam. I use manzanita branch in center of my design, and I do one more style here, same as top in the lower section of easel. You can paint your easel if you want. You can paint your branch if you want. To secure all of this, I use zip tie like this, very easy. You can use pipe cleaner or you can use soft wire. This wire is also very nice. You can see just soft as pipe cleaner. They can bend anywhere you want. Everything from top to bottom, they need to be very secure, very strong, because maybe you put about easy 3 to 5 pound here and easy 2 to 3 pound here. So total of almost 10 pound you have of flower. So make sure it's strongly secure and it's very easy to put it in the car. I'm gonna start with beautiful palm that I have. As I mentioned, I don't like to make design sad. I want to make my design happy, that you can even use for engagement party or any entrance of any party, even for picture, for wedding or engagement. I go on top. You can cut this shorter if you want. The other side of palm that it was here, I am using for bottom. So you can see almost all the way your stand is covered. All other area, I have beautiful silver dollar that I am using, and you are familiar with this beautiful greenery or any other kind of greenery that you have to cover all area showing. I can go from here because I am covering all mechanic, just like you do any design, we have to cover mechanic. So I'm creating shape. I'm gonna cover this part all the way from here to here. This way you're covering all your mechanic. Cover as much as you can and more here. A little bit greenery, we will add more. I'm gonna add few here and few here to cover this section, but we are still working on it, so maybe this one is nice. Now I'm gonna start from center. I am using beautiful hydrangea, very nice and fresh. Shake them very well and get rid of all the bad part. Cut them not too long, just cut them size that you want. I start from center, again, nice and fresh. You are creating nice compact design. Always make sure they are nice and clean and beautiful and shiny. Now I am going to use chrome as a primary. You give length to your design. So I'm gonna go probably this size and I bring gradually down. We have beautiful roses, Ecuadorian roses. So I clean. With roses, I go to my primary line, structures of line. As you know, I go in between chrome. As you remember, I always open roses because they are beautiful, especially this is very white color, you can see. And we bring some down. Just use as many that you can cover all area perfectly. You create compact oval shape on top and another one, a smaller one in bottom. Okay, now I'm gonna start to do some shape to lower section, and then we will continue to complete all area that need more. I start with chrome on, just like top, almost same pattern of the lower section, and continue down. Make sure it's nice and clean and shaped to be open. And height I do with beautiful chrome on, as you see. Always try to hold it with one hand that you don't lose anything. And with the other hand, add your flower. So I am continuing, and this one bring my line back, this line. And then we will now continue with roses. Roses are beautiful. I'm gonna put few roses from this section goes inside to continue in between branches. This give nice good activity in area that you have your branches. They are strongly stay there, they don't move. Make sure it stays very nice. Hold your foam or cage. This design, as I mentioned, you can use picture in here for any happy event, anniversary or engagement, even baby shower. Not just for celebration of life, but for celebration, I like to bring a smile on face of people. I'm gonna go with mini carnation now. So far we did one bunch of 25 stem roses, one bunch of chromone, and total of maybe 5 hydrangea. That is, I give you number always that you know how much product you use as a budget. I go with mini carnation everywhere. You can have orchid, you can have any product in your warehouse available, and I will work on top. Top need more. If we stay front like this, we need more. I need more here. Okay, completing our shape with filler. As you see, I have one oval on top, one oval on the side, and few roses or even mini carnation as a filler goes inside the branch. If there is bare grass or some other greenery that you prefer, you can always use as an accent. Even if I had calla lily, that is very nice. Give good personality to come to your branches. It's very nice flower. I will look around to see if there is any gap I need to fill with greenery. Here, and few of this beautiful silver dollar. I can add everywhere to make sure it's complete. Okay, here is our work. Today I had a little challenge to balance this oval shape on top and bottom with product that it was one bunch of rose, one bunch of chromone, 5 hydrangea, and I think 2 bunches of mini carnation, 1 palm that I cut it in 2 pieces, and some of this beautiful smell good silver dollar. So this design is very nice, very versatile for happy or sad moment of any occasion. Basically, this is for celebration of life, but beauty of shape and design really bring a smile to every face. If you like to learn more about this design, please subscribe this channel and also check our website at minadesignschool.com. Thank you for watching.